post repair. Thanks to the roof snake, we've got some pitting along the edges of our shingles here where our nails were installed, because to get the nail flush, this area right here is sitting against the shingle while you're hammering at the top, creating impact, creating some damage to shingles. Got it here. Above that even, or beyond that even, we have a decent amount of matting transfer. Got a shingle that's ripped right there. Mat transfer. Pretty overall failed repair attempt.